Hi everyone, topic of this video is triangles and their types. Based on their sides and angles, the triangles can be categorized into two groups. Based on size, they have three types. First one is equilateral, isosceles, and scaling. I want to start, let's write here, E, equilateral type of triangles and draw the sample for them. As you can understand from the name, that all the sides of these triangles are equal. Let's denote the lengths of sides with the help of letter A. And the name of triangle is ABC. And there are certain parameters of this type of triangles. For example, all the angles of this triangle is equal, and we can denote it with the help of alpha. Alpha plus alpha is equal to 180 degree, and this can be proved easily with the help of parallel sides. And we can draw here the parallel line. As you can see, this alpha will be equal to here with the help of parallelism, and this alpha will be equal to here, and 3 alpha will be equal to 180 degree. And alpha can be found to be 60 degree. And this is the sample for equilateral triangles. Let's go to the scaling triangles. The first one. Let's change the color of this pen. The scaling type of triangles also can be shown here. Here there's a case that all the lengths of the sides are different. A is not equal to B, is not equal to C. And also here, because that the lengths of sides are different, the angles that are opposing to these sides will be different. Phi alpha is not equal to beta, and this is not equal to phi. And let's go through the third type, the isosceles type triangles. Here there's a word iso also. Iso also means the same. For example, maybe you have heard from physics isobars or isotherms, this kind of terms, and they just mean the same. The length amount, they should be same. And here also we'll have two sides with the equal lengths A, but the lengths of the third side will be different. And here, as the sides are different, the angles opposing them, if we compare C and A, will be different. But this type also is equal to A, and this will be alpha. Always remember that if the lengths of the sides are the same, the angles opposing them in front of them will be equal. And also here the sum of angles is equal to 180 degree, and this is the just kind of exception for all triangles or 2D triangles. And let's go through the triangles in terms of angles and just draw the triangles, sample triangles for each of them. First one is acute angle triangle. I'll just draw a line here, and let's denote it with A. Acute means that less than 90. All the angles alpha, beta, and phi should be less than 90 degree. Beta is also less than 90 degree, and phi should keep the same term, the less than 90 degree. And this is called acute angle triangle. For example, let's just compare this type of triangle with the ones that we covered. For example, here we can definitely say that the equilateral triangles, as we know that the degree of each angle is equal to 60, can be categorized into the group acute angled triangles. And now let's give a sample related to obtuse angled triangles. Obtuse angle means that there is one angle in the triangle which is higher than 90 degrees. If we denote this as alpha, beta, and again phi, our favorite angle notations. Alpha is bigger than 90 degrees, beta is less than 90 degrees, and phi is less than 90. You can ask that why this beta and phi is less than 90. If all the sum of all the angles of the triangle is equal to 180, and if this is higher than 90, which is left is the situation that phi plus beta is less than 90 in order to make the sum equal to the 180 degree. And in terms of the angles, we will go through the right angle triangle, and in our channel we have a video about the Pythagoras theorem, which is connected to the right angled triangles. Let's call the sides A, B, and C. This alpha, beta, and phi. Phi here in the right angled triangle case will be equal to 90, or pi divided by 2, and alpha plus beta is again equal to 90 degree. And here the Pythagoras theorem can be applied to all the kinds of right angled triangles, which states that a square plus b square is equal to c square. All right angled triangles satisfy this equation. And this is the end of video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.